Hello, dear humans. November 1st week is Sikh Genocide Week, which took place in India in 1984. Over the years, I've heard relatives and friends mentioning the Operation Blue Star and echoing the reason as the government did it to flush out militants. I've heard friends say the Sikhs are so charitable, but they're separatists. This was the narrative which was then sold through the media to justify the attack on the holiest shrine of the Sikhs, the Harmandir Sahib, which is commonly called the Golden Temple. Books have been written and interviews were given by those who carried out the attack on the Golden Temple. On the other hand, I've read affidavits, books, and watched eyewitness and survivors' interviews which state clearly that the narrative that was being sold was completely false and had an agenda to defame the community in the eye of the nationalists. And the Sikhs, a peace loving minority community, had been suffering decades of oppression with their demands not being met even during peaceful protests. With such conflicting perspectives and a jarring question in my head that why this minority community, which is less than 2% of the Indian population, has been met with this awful treatment, I felt compelled to do my own research. I feel it's a very dangerous thing to follow a herd mentality or cut copy paste someone else's opinion. If we really think about it, true independence and empowerment is when we form our own opinions rather than blindly absorbing or parroting what's being fed to us, or diluting our own stance with someone else's fear, past experiences, prejudice, or ignorance. As we've seen, words cost lives, so do opinions, rather, ignorant opinions. Therefore, even as I speak, I request you to keep an open heart and mind and do your own research. I've linked all the references in the description box below. About the Sikh genocide of 1984, while some people prefer the move on or the present is all hunky dory after all narrative, I still choose to speak about it for a number of reasons. Firstly, for the sake of humanity, if we don't learn our lesson from history, then we are condemned to repeat it. And in this case, it wasn't very long ago. Secondly, no justice has been served whatsoever, and most of the murderers and instigators roam around freely even today. They might just be our vendors or service providers, and we end up paying them. We never know. Thirdly, the culprits have not publicly acknowledged what they did. Fourthly, the victims and survivors are still paralyzed from the trauma they suffered. The compensation or rehabilitation has not been enough for them to sustain themselves. They've been given petty blue collared government jobs. No investment has been made to empower them, and the development of their colonies has been neglected. An example of this is the very commonly Googled Widows Colony of Tilak Vihar in New Delhi. Most important is the fifth point, which is that there is ample legitimate evidence which proves that the genocide of the Sikhs was carefully orchestrated and sponsored by the government, which undeniably violates human rights. An infallible observation here is the complicity of the government with the mobs that directly massacred innocent Sikhs in cold blood and the decades of impunity of the guilty. While 3,000 to 5,000 Sikh men were killed on the first 3 days of November in Delhi alone, about 4,000 to 8,000 were killed in the same year earlier in June during Operation Blue Star, followed by lakhs of Sikhs who were killed up to 1995 in unlawful extrajudicial killings by the police and the military. During all of these events, lakhs of Sikh women and children have been raped, desecrated, brutalized, and killed by culprits complying with the government orders. I'd like to talk about this in 5 parts. Part 1 is the background of Operation Blue Star. Part 2 is the Operation Blue Star, insights on arms militancy, terrorism, and media. Part 3 is Operation Blue Star, what was shown to the nation versus what really happened. Part 4 is post Operation Blue Star, that is Operation Woodrose. And part 5 is post Operation Blue Star, the Sikh genocide of November 1984. I'll see you in the next session. Stay tuned.